I gotta be able to see that, so get it down so.
How far is this gonna like?
All she has to do is get it up to 15.
How long
was
do
your earthquake? I forgot that. So let's say your earthquake lasts for 10 minutes.
Oh, no.
That's going to take too long, because then nobody will get done.
Most earthquakes are
Okay,
30
Miss Earthquake Scientist.
seconds.
30 seconds? That's a
minute.
long time. How long was yours, Christine?
1.21
Seconds, not
Really?
minutes.
1.2
So-
seconds is
Oh,
there.
okay.
No, I know. We can last.
Okay.
You ready?
You think?
Yeah.
So how long are we going to go? 5 seconds.
All right.
I need a timer.
Okay.
Who's your timer?
I got it.
After I
Got
get
it on
up
your
to
phone?
15.
Yeah.
Our
So
timer will say start. I'm going to be watching that.
So once I get up to 15,
So
that's
You're
doing
done.
5 seconds.
And you hit 15, they got to hold it for 5 seconds.
okay. That's fine. I'll tell you when to go.
Hold
Are
on.
we ready?
Scary, scary. What's wrong?
I'm nervous.
Good, you should. It's only 10 points.
Can I
you
go?
can get it. No. You got to hit start first, and you're
I
going to
know
move
how
up
to do
15
it.
slowly.
I've already done this.
Okay, ready?
That was 5 seconds. No,
No,
it was
not
5
yet.
seconds at 15.
Not yet. You got to get to 15.
Ours is so gonna
Keep
break.
going.
Okay, go.
Now.
Stop.
Rubbish.
Can I show you how high I can go?
You want to?
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm okay. I mean, are you going to put it in your caution?
No.
All right. Watch out. It's going to fly off and knock your eye out.
She was that close before.